So teachers, you've got your classroom set up and you've got classes added to it, you've got students joining the classes, but what do you do with Classroom? Well, Classroom can be really handy for going paperless. So once you've got a class set up, what you can do is add either announcements or assignments. And the main difference is that assignments are things that you expect to grade, announcements are things that you don't. You could use announcements to create sort of a social media space for your students to share information and comments. You could also use it to create resources for students to utilize as part of the class. Now, here's the cool thing about either announcements or assignments. You can not just write information for students to see, but you can also attach different items. You can attach any sort of file that you've got listed on your computer, and students will be able to see a copy of that file. You can attach Google Drive items that students will be able to see. You can put YouTube videos in for students to watch. They do have to be YouTube videos. Or you can put in a link that will bring students to either a page or a location on the internet that you want them to track down and check out. So you could write a message and then post a link to a specific location. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a Google Drive file right onto this listing. Now here's the other cool thing. When you're making an announcement or creating an assignment, you can post it across any or all of your classes. You can choose to just do one, you can do multiple, you can do them all. So if you have one message that you want to send out to all of your classes, you can write it in one place and then just attach it to all of the classes and it will roll out to all of them. When you've got your assignment all set up, or when you've got your announcement all set up and you've got the classes that you want to send it to ready to go, then you can hit post. Now here's the thing, once you post something, you can't then go back and tell it to go to other classes. You've got to make that decision before you post the announcement. All right, same thing for assignments, which you can do. So I post my information. If I change my mind, I can X out this item before I post, but I want to post it like this. I hit post, it takes a second to run through, and then what's going to happen is, since I posted it to 3 classes, here's the announcement in class the first. I can head over to class the second. Same announcement, posted for those particular students, and only students in this class will be able to see this announcement. So it's a handy way to segregate out your information. If you don't want to post it to all of your classes, you can just post to one class at a time, but this is an easy way to post across multiple classes very simply and very easily. And the students on their side are going to be able to see announcements and assignments posted as well. They see the announcement this way, and when they go to check it out, they'll be able to view the item. It's now been shared with them in a way that lets them view the file. So pretty handy for sharing stuff with your students. That's announcements. The other thing you can do are assignments. We'll talk about assignments in a bit.